guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to flash custom ROM on Redmi 6 Pro. You can use this method on any device of Xiaomi. I'm gonna flash Xiaomi.eu ROM, which is the latest beta version on Redmi 6 Pro. So for this you need to unlock your bootloader and you must have installed twrp on your device. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you must go to twrp mode. Now I'm going on this. Now go to reboot now. You can go to twrp mode using manual mode. Just press and hold long on volume up button and power button. Then you will move on to twrp mode. You can see twrp. First of all, what you have to do is just check your file. I'll provide the link in description of that ROM and force encryption file. After flashing ROM, you need one more file, the force encryption file, which you have to flash also. You can see the file. Xiaomi.eu, which is the latest beta version for Redmi 6 Pro 9.12.19. Just select the file. Now swipe to flash. If you do that, your phone will not boot up. Before swiping this, you need to do wipe. Go to wipe, advanced wipe, select dalvick, cache, system, vendor data, and cast. Then swipe. You can see swipe has done. Now go to install. Now select the file. Now swipe. You can see flashing process has started. You guys can see the flashing process has done. Now you have to flash one more file, which is force encryption. Let me show you. Go to install and select the file. You can see the file disable force encryption 19.3 treble. Just select the file and swipe. Wait for some time until it boots up. If you guys like my videos, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon and never miss any update. And if you face any problem regarding this, just do comment on the comment section. I will help you. I'll try my best. You can see now everything has done. Now just reboot system. You can see the logo. It will take 10 to 12 minutes to boot up. So keep patience. You guys can see the boot logo has come. When you will flash this, if that logo doesn't come, then you have to do the same process again. You guys can see device has boot up. Now let me set up the device.